This is the quickest way to get an easy smoky eye look. It's not that hard at all. It looks pretty hard, but I can promise you after you watch this tutorial, you'll be able to nail it all the time. So if you're ready, let's get into today's exciting video. To start off, we are priming our eyelids with a NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Biscuit. This will just clear out any discoloration on the eye, especially if you have brown skin. Now we're going in with the Bobbi Brown Black Kajal Kohl Pencil and we're going to be creating a line. This line will represent the wing. You don't have to be too precise. Now for a brush, we're going in with the E21 from Sigma. Try not getting the smudge line below the wing. Adding some more kajal to the wing, we're going to deepen out the color so that it doesn't look too dispersed off. We want a soft, defined wing. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Pretty Grunge palette by Huda Beauty and going in with the shade Renegade and the Jessup E05 brush, which is pretty precise and small. We're going to be applying that to the lower lash line. You can see how beautifully precise this brush is. This is everything you need for a quick and easy application. Apply that towards the inner corner as well. We'll focus on blending this out soon. Now with the Sigma E42 brush, let's go and blend that out. The more you blend out, the more smoky it will look. Going in back with the Bobbi Brown pencil, we're going to be tightlining the eyes now. Be careful with this step because the eyes could get a bit irritated. This is how your eye should look after you've tightlined. Apply the same on the lower lash line too. I love how dark and black this kajal is. It looks absolutely stunning and it's waterproof too. Back in with the shade Renegade, which is a black eyeshadow. Let's apply that slightly on top of the upper lash line. I'm using the Jessup E05 brush again. Keep this as close to the upper lash line as you can. And once you've done that, this is how your eye should look. You can see the definition it's giving to the eyes. To seal in all our hard work, I'm going to suggest using the Inglot Duraline because this will prevent any smudging or movement during the day. Or in the night if you wish to wear this look too. Apply it on the lower lash line and on the upper lash line too. This one is eye safe. Now using the new MAC concealer, we're going to apply some at the back of our hand. And with a flat brush, we're going to clean up any mistakes that we might have done. Carve out a beautiful wing, but don't go too high. Now blend that out into the skin for a seamless finish. Use your fingers now to blend that into the skin and to give it a very natural look. And there you have it guys, this is the reverse easy smoky eye look that I promised at the beginning of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks so much for watching guys. I'll see you again soon. Bye.